an exam for Rawafid.
Okay, let's start with easy questions. Question 1. Do Shia Rawafid hate the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him?
أول ما غصبت الخلافة بعد شهادة رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله بتخطيط من أبي بكر وعمر وتنفيذ من عائشة وحفصة لعنة الله عليهم،
خلي يبينون بكل صراحة أن عائشة خارجية والخارجية كافرة. إن جملة أفعال عائشة جريمة جنسية.
لعنة الله عليك يا عائشة، لعنة الله عليك يا عائشة، لعنة الله عليك بعدد أنفاس الخلائق.
اللهم صل على فاطمة وأبيها وبعدها وبلغ عنها أعداءهم أجمعين سيما أبا بكر وعمر وعائشة وحفصة. الله.
Good. The answer is yes. Question 2. Do Shia Rawafid name their children by names of companions, like Abu Bakr, Umar and Aisha?
عملت قدوة للسنة وقدوة أطفال السنة، جعلونا في الشوارع حرقونا لأن اسمي عمر وبكر وعثمان. لا زالت أعراض الحرق على مكان حتى اسمي جسمي، لأني فقط ابني اسمه عمر وبنت اسمها عائشة. لقد حرقوا طفلا في الفرن ووضعوا عليه البصل لأن اسمه عمر، عمره 3 سنوات وقدموه لأبيه.
Good. The answer is yes. Shia do not use companions' names. Question 3. According to Shia Rawafid, did the companions and the Ahlul Bayt hate each others? Yes, of course. This is the very fundamental of the religion. Very good. Now more difficult questions. Question 4. Who is the husband of Kulthum, the daughter of Fatima and Ali, the sister of Hassan and Hussein? Don't you know? The right answer is Umar ibn al-Khattab. Question 5. Who is the only man who married 2 daughters of the Prophet, peace be upon him? No, it is not Ali. The right answer is Uthman ibn Affan. Question 6. Who is the grandfather of Hafsa, the wife of Hassan ibn Ali? Don't you know? The right answer is Abu Bakr. Question 7. How many of his sons Ali named Abu Bakr? Wrong. The right answer is 2. Question 8. How many of his sons Ali named Umar? Wrong. The right answer is 2. Question 9. How many of his sons Ali named Uthman? Wrong. The right answer is 2. Question 10. How many of his daughters, the 6th Shia Imam, Ja'far Sadiq, named Aisha? Wrong. The right answer is 1. Question 11. How many of his daughters, the 7th Shia Imam, Musa Kazim, named Aisha? Wrong. The right answer is 1. Question 12. How many daughters the 8th Shia Imam, Ali Riza, had? Don't you know? The right answer is 1. Question 13. What was her name? Don't you know? The right answer is Aisha. Now, questions about the marriage of Ali and Fatima. Question 14. Who suggested Ali to ask the Prophet to marry Fatima? Don't you know? The right answer is Abu Bakr and Umar. Question 15. Who are the men who the Prophet chose to be the marriage witnesses? Don't you know? The right answer is Abu Bakr and Umar, and Uthman, and Talha, and Zubair. Question 16. Who is the man who offered the dowry to Ali, as a marriage gift? Don't you know? The right answer is Uthman ibn Affan. Question 17. Who is the man who was set in charge, by the Prophet, to furnish the house for Fatima and Ali? Don't you know? The right answer is Abu Bakr. Question 18. What is the kunya of the 8th Shia Imam, Ali Rida? Don't you know? The right answer is Abu Bakr. Question 19. What is the kunya of the 12th Shia Imam, Muhammad al-Mahdi, who celebrated this year in this cave, his 1140th birthday?
Assalamu alaikum. I am the Mahdi, who is the 12th Imam, who speaks from the heavens, as the heavens gives to me to fix the many problems on this earth. I am just the 12th Imam. Assalamu alaikum.
No, it is not Norman. The right answer is Abu Bakr. Question 20. Who is the man who is responsible of the existence of the Shia Imams, from the 4th, Ali Zayn al-Abidin, to the so-called, awaited 12th, al-Mahdi? No, it is not Ali. The right answer is Umar ibn al-Khattab. How is that even nearly possible, you may say? Here is the explanation. The 4th Shia Imam, Ali Zayn al-Abidin, was the only surviving male member of Ahlul Bayt, after the tragedy of Karbala. So, all the next Imams descend from him. His mother is Sharbanu, the daughter of the last emperor of Persia, Yazdad III. She was taken as war booty, when Muslims destroyed the Majusi Persian Empire, today known as Iran, under the commandment of Amir al-Mu'minin, Umar ibn al-Khattab, and bring Islam there. Then, as we know, it is to Amir al-Mu'minin to distribute the booty of war to his soldiers, so Umar referred Sharbanu to Hussein. You understand now? Question 21. Who is twice the grandfather of Ja'far as-Sadiq? No, it is not Ali. The right answer is Abu Bakr. So, Abu Bakr is twice the grandfather of 6 Shia Imams, from Ja'far to al-Mahdi. Now, some questions about mathematics and economy. Question 22. How much of his money every Shia must give every year to his scholars? Yes, you are right, 20%, or as they call it, al-Khums, or the 5th. Actually, they give it to their Sayyids, those who have black turbans, because it means that they are from the family of the Prophet, as they pretend. They use the verse 8.41 of the Quran in order to, in reality, steal people, as the Christian clergy do. But in fact, it is a big criminal organization. For example, the Tunisian ex-Sufi who converted to Rafida, Tijani, who has no link with the Prophet, was rewarded recently with a black turban. Which means for him, al-Khums, plus, mut'ah marriage, or free prostitution with any woman. Question 23. Why those scholars only teach hate in their lectures, pretending they love Ahlul Bayt? I let you guess the answer. Question 24. Now, we have seen all close relationships of love and respect between Ahlul Bayt and as-Sahaba. Can you still reject the truth? The answer is for you and Allah. Truth stands clear out of error.